Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at Synopsis. It had quite a serious downfall today after earnings, but firstly focusing on the long time frame. We have here a simple 1-2 setup in my opinion, and then this is a massive third wave that is still most likely developing. Now my preferred interpretation for this third wave that in my opinion still is developing to the upside is that here we had, could be a series of different interpretations of how many 1-2 setups, but let's say like a 1-2. Let's get a little closer and get everything in frame. So here maybe a 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, then this is another 1-2, 1-2. Then this is where it gets more interesting, since we had here a larger wave 1 to the upside. Could also be a couple of them inserted in there, but that area doesn't even matter. I don't really want you to focus on that area for now, because at hand we have from this this area another wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, the third wave up, a fourth wave down, and then this as a fifth wave. So technically here, well, this is the fifth wave and this entire movement. So technically we have a large third wave that developed over the last nearly decade. So it's been a very long third wave that has been developing, and finally, it seems to be finished, and we are likely in quite a serious wave 4 right now. And that doesn't mean that I necessarily expect it to extend for a very large amount of time. Consider how long this wave 2 lasted. So let's measure it approximately. So this was like 4 months, something like that. And this one could play out in a very similar fashion. But the idea is that we are looking for a larger retracement. And why is that so important? Well, it is because it is a buying opportunity, an entry opportunity that doesn't come around very often. So already from the top we dropped like 40%, and our support zone starts at the $336.6 level. So that would be 48% down. The ideal target generally for the wave 4 is the 38.2% retracement. That is 66% down at the $223 level. And then the bottom of the support zone extends down to the 50% retracement at the $160 level. That would be 75 drop. And I'm not saying this because it's certain that we get to all of these levels. I would really expect, however, to get at least within this support zone, within this wave 4 correction that is developing. So it seems that we had quite a deep drop. I would say that this is a 1-2 setup that developed, and this would be a third wave, but I wouldn't go as far as to already assume that this third wave is finished, which is why I'm not actually going to provide a resistance zone for this idea. A very likely area, however, to find some pretty significant reversal, at least temporary, within a wave 4 would be at this bottom that formed here. So in the area, let's see a bit closer, between $376 down to the, let's say, $365-66 level. So that would be a likely area to provide support for a more serious retracement, and then maybe we get another 4 and a 5 pattern, and then this would be an A wave down. We would be looking for a B wave up, and then a C wave to get us even lower, quite possibly much deeper within the support zone. But overall, I find this as a quite nice opportunity. I am always looking for these, and I am quite happy with how this is playing out. It's not necessarily the nicest thing to have a massive drop. Many people get caught off guard, and it happens at times to everyone. But this is a pretty serious, pretty serious opportunity at the moment. So for now, these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.